In a situation like this where we have multiple tracks, if we go ahead and copy this clip and paste it, it will by default get pasted onto the same track. So if you want to paste this clip directly onto a different track, then one thing we could do is to turn off auto select for this track. So in this example, what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn off the auto select for the video track as well as the audio track. So now if we go ahead and paste it, again, you will see that now this video clip will automatically get pasted onto the second track. So this is one way to get around the problem that we have in the default setting. Another thing you could do in this case is, let's say if you want to go ahead and only turn off the auto select for the video track, then when you paste it, then the video track will get pasted onto the second track, but your audio track will still stay within the first track. Another thing you can do is to option click auto select for the track which you want to paste the clip onto. So what it will allow you to do is to directly activate that particular track. In this example, we're going to option click auto select for the second track. We're going to do that for the video track as well as the audio track. So if we go ahead and right now paste this clip, you will see that this clip will get directly pasted onto the second track. Now, one huge advantage of this particular method compared to the other method is that in situations like this where we have, let's say, 4 different tracks, and we want to directly paste this clip to the third track only. Now, instead of having to individually click off auto select for all the other tracks, you can just option click auto select for the third track. And now if you go ahead and paste this clip again, you will see that this clip will get directly pasted onto the third track. And let's say if you're having regret, you can always Control Z, and this will take back what you just did. And let's say you want to paste this clip onto the fourth track instead, you can always option click auto select for the fourth track, and what it will allow you to do is to paste your clip directly onto that track. So option click is definitely much faster in situations like this, and it will save you a lot of time. So I hope this helps, guys, and I will see you next time.